Welcome to 2020, everybody. This year will bring lots of new tech, and today I'll be going over the tech I'm excited for in 2020. Just a quick side note before we get started is that this list is in no particular order, and if you could give this video a like, that would be greatly appreciated. The first thing I'm excited for is the rise of full bezel-less smartphones. The OnePlus 7 Pro is a good example of this, with its pop-out camera, but a full bezel-less design hasn't been made on a mainstream Samsung Galaxy S or an iPhone yet. The next thing I'm excited for is 4th gen Ryzen processors. Ryzen is Intel's main competitor, and Ryzen started showing up in laptops with mobile processors. Ryzen 3 processors have started to overtake Intel as they're starting to fall behind. I'm excited to see if Ryzen will become more popular in laptops and more mobile devices throughout the year. Another thing that I'm excited for is cloud gaming advancements. Although Google Stadia didn't exactly work out as they had hoped, it still shined a light on what could be the future of gaming. Gaming in the cloud has a number of advantages, like on-demand title games and lower hardware costs. But it also has latency issues that still need to be improved before more people will take in consideration of cloud gaming. The last big tech piece that I'm awaiting is the release of Android 11, since they haven't had a big software update in years. Hopefully 2020 will bring new software advancements that are more meaningful than new Google Assistant updates like in the past few. One tech progression that I want to see continued from the last year are 90Hz screens. These offer a more fluid and smooth experience on phones when scrolling. It's standard on the OnePlus 7T and on other devices like the Razer Phone 2, selling a 120Hz display. These are the main tech trends and new products I'm excited to see in 2020. They might not all happen, but this is where tech is heading in the near future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to more content every week. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.